Today let's see how to make a royal dish from Bhopal, which is called the Filfora. So in a vessel, let's put 1/4 cup of oil. I have got 750 grams of boneless meat, that's mutton, a tablespoon of ginger paste, a tablespoon of garlic paste, a teaspoon of coriander seed powder, a teaspoon of cumin seed powder. Let's add chili powder. I'm going to add a tablespoon and a little more of chili. You can add according to your choice. A teaspoon of turmeric powder, 3 onions that I have sliced, so I'm going to add this as well. 2 medium-sized tomatoes that are sliced, 1 cup of yogurt that I have whisked, and some salt to taste. And now let's mix this well. And now for the most important step, without which this dish is difficult to make, is that you switch on the flame. And now we'll cover this and cook it for 10 minutes on a medium to low flame. Now after 10 minutes, you can see that the mutton has released its juices. Let's stir this once. We need to cook this till the water has dried up and you can see oil floating on the top. So I'm going to mix this and I'm going to cover this and cook it further for another 10 to 15 minutes. Now after 15 minutes, you can see the water is all dried up. The oil has separated. I'm going to quickly add a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 4 to 5 green chilies that are finely chopped. This will add that little zing and punch to the dish. Some finely chopped coriander. Now let's stir this. Now if you want to serve this as a gravy, you can add a cup of water to this, cover it and cook it, or just simply serve this as a starter, which is nice and dry. So you see how easy this recipe is to make. The Filfora is ready to be served. You saw what a quick and an easy recipe this is. You can serve it as a starter or a main course with bread of your choice. Do try this dish. Let me know and keep watching Get Curried.